Hi, this is Jordan from the Essential Heroes campaign. We are about to drop off 50 3D printed masks to the Ravenswood Center. Our first drop-off center was the CCAT in Fresno, and we just decided that we want to create as much outreach as we can, so we've been consistently printing masks all these weeks, and we're about to head over there right now. So thank you so much, ID Tech and Nokia, for generously donating us these printers and all the supplies with it. With your generosity, we're able to reach so many deserving essential heroes. Not only are we reaching people from community centers, we are also reaching farm workers, people that are dropping off lunches for the essential heroes, everyone involved in this fight. Participating in the class and internship has provided me with the skills and tools needed to reach out to many communities. These are the 3D printers in action. We specifically programmed their specs to create these inserts that are a custom seal type fit so everyone can stay safe. These are the washable liners that go in to act as a filter. These are all the masks that we are going to be donating today. And since O'Connor Hospital didn't need extra masks, we also printed face shields, and these act as a block from several contaminants. We plan to donate another 50 to Gilroy and another 50 to Half Moon Bay as well.
Here is the delivery in action. We have two members of the Essential Heroes campaign dropping off 100 3D printed masks to New West Casa. They help the workers in service industries such as restaurants, baristas, janitorial, and housekeeping who have lost their job due to the pandemic. We supplied masks to the workers delivering the food to help them stay safe and continue their important work.
The Essential Heroes campaign is a teen-run, teen-led program. Thank you so much, Nokia and ID Tech, for believing in us and supporting us so we can make a difference in our communities. #GoodGrows and #OurHeroesWearMasks.